Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we have an unboxing of Monster Mansion by Jan Duponce. And this is also by Ludonova, ages 10 plus, 30 minutes, and 2 to 4 players. Got the back here, if the camera will focus. And this is in English and French. We have Jan Duponce, Arthur Mask, and David Rito. I guess is how you pronounce that. Alright, let's get this plastic off and check out what's inside. Try not to cut the game box. Okay. It's got this kind of spot UV there on the front where all the performers are and the name of the game. Check this out and see what's inside. Have the rule book here. Doesn't want to come out. Looks like this is the French rule book. And then we have the English rules here. It shows setup and overview and all that kind of stuff. Looks about 10 pages there. Just art on the back. We have some punch-out tokens here, different little rectangles. Another sheet of those, punched one out. Not super thick cardboard, but it's good thickness. Looks like we have some more of the boards and different things here on that punch-out. Have a smaller cloth bag. These are the player screens, has the instructions or whatever on the inside, and then art on the outside. Looks like it's the same on all of them. A few baggies. I'm guessing scoring discs for the different players. These are pretty neat little custom skull wooden pieces. Tokens, and then a large deck of cards, and nothing in the bottom of the box there. Check out a few of these cards real quick, and get on with the unboxing here. Alright, it's like, and these are all like tarot sized cards. Have some different stuff here. Looks like these convert one color of skull to another color of skull. And all of that. Have a ticket. Has really pretty neat art in this game. Kind of out there a little, but some of the different cards here. But if you liked what you've seen, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and ring the bell to keep up to date with my latest videos. And as always, have a great day.